I'm gonna test this out on my 8-year-old son. Never went to the barber shop. I'm old school. I always cut my kids' hair, and that's how it is. And end of this video, I'm gonna give you my pro and cons honest review about this. So I'm gonna unbox this and test this out and see if it's really worth it or not. This is a professional 2-set hair clipper. You got a big and small, which I'm gonna show you guys. The power volt of this battery is a 8 watt, and charging time 3 hours, running times 300 minutes. The battery type is 2200 blah 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 blah. USB charger. Let's check it out. We got a professional case. Now the case is kind of hardy, good quality. It's not like cheesy flexible. Got a nice handle. So this is really good for storage. So it's not all over the bathroom and your wife is complaining and stuff like that. And it's a good idea for traveling. All right, so nice zipper. The quality right now of this case is very impressive. A lot of them, the quality of the case alone is garbage. I'm gonna be honest with you. So it comes with 2 different separate charger for both of them. Let's take a look at the big machine. Wow, very lightweight so far. Love the black and blue tone coated in here. Really nice right now, but it's not always about nice. It's about getting the job done. You got here, you could control the height right here. We power it on. We got a light came on here, and then it tells you the, oh, look at that. It tells you the battery, how much left. It also will tell you if it needs oil or wash or anything like that, and the charges right here. So far, it's not that loud. Thank God. Back in the days, those machines were so loud. This is awesome. This is a lines machine to do the lines and trims and stuff like that. Very nice. Tells you right there. So always we add oil to the machine. Just add a couple drops. All right, so let's see what's on the side here. This is awesome. You got everything stored here, and you got the machines over here. So that's pretty cool. So we have all the combs from number 1 all the way to number 8 with different color. And I'm gonna tell you right here, most of them is more cheesy than this, like flexible. This one is a little bit more stiff. So that, in my book, it's a little bit better quality. And then we got over here, this is for the smaller machine, and this quality is very stiff. It's very, you want it to be a little bit stiff. And then you got a nice little brush, you got oil, and we got right here to cover. When you cut in your hair, you just put that on you and cover you up so no mess. All right, so we got the number 1 comb right now, and we're gonna be doing it on the top like this. Let's see. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna do it halfway, and then I'm gonna stop so you guys could see. All right, so far, clean. So what I'm gonna do, I'm basically we're doing a low buzz. We're gonna try to do Mbappe hairstyle in a low cut form. And we're gonna be balling the side. But as you can see, look at that. Man, nice. How does it feel right now? Is it pulling your head? Is it cutting good?
It's good.
He likes a towel around him too, as you notice. I can't use the plastic cloths. He doesn't like them. It's like itching him. So we're buzzing the top right now. Let me buzz the top. But you can see how it's literally cutting nice.
Yeah.
We're gonna do low. We're gonna do low. Let's see. Yep. I'm just gonna let you guys know I am not a professional barber. I'm just an old school dad. But I just wanted to show you how it's cutting clean. I'm gonna bring the small one in a few.
Yeah.
And do the small one. All right, so far you can see we lower it down, and so I'm gonna try see something like this. So see how this cut. We're gonna test this out. All right, you know what? Let's do the lines with it and see. Don't move, Jacks. Hope you guys could see. I'm trying to do this. All right, so we're gonna remove the comb, and it comes with this little brush right here, so you can brush.
What is that?
And I'm gonna put this all the way up. Come on, sit. This kid is not a fan of getting haircut. So, and we're gonna still fade it in. All right, so we're still working on it. We cut in right now. You can see it cuts nice, but my fade in is not the best. We still, hey, don't put it on. So we still got to fade it in a little bit, but I just wanted to give you an update right now how it's looking. It looking amazing. Just that 2 machine right now, it's cut in, and I gotta tell you, not bad. You know, I'm not a, as I said, I'm not a professional barber, and this kid, within like 3-4 minutes, this kid is ready to leave and ready to go. He's not, but you could see right here, I gotta fade in more with the comb. Every time he moves, I get a little cut higher and higher and higher. All right, so I'm not a professional barber, so I'm gonna tell you the quick pro and quick con. The quick con about it, which is the downfall, the liner. Let me see this one here, bud, for a second. So the con about it, this right here, it does not do the perfect line. It does a decent line. It's not gonna give you like a professional line, but it definitely cut upward and give you that little front. As you can see in front of him, it did cuts pretty good enough. So it's not, you know, not the world's best, but it's decent. But for the price, you can't go wrong. The other machine, this one right here, this one here now works great. This one here cut nice. It's not loud. It's very lightweight. It's the battery. Let's check the battery out. We still at 92, so I only use 8%, which is not bad. This one here cuts the hair clean. It cuts it even. It cuts it smooth, and it's because it's brand new too, but it's a smooth machine. The other thing that I like about it, we have all the combs, we have all the oil. It comes with 2 machines instead of 1, and I got my little helper cleaning. So it's a lot of stuff that came in here for a decent price. And like I said, with every single thing you need to cut your hair right at home, right in the backyard, you save time and you save a lot of money. So this right here come together, I think it's perfect. I think it's a good quality overall. It's a good set. And I love it. It works great, as you could see, but if you're a professional barber, you could do a 10 times better haircut than I am. Look in the description box for price and details, and get your hand a nice home quality hair clipper that gets the job done. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming honest reviews.